Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. As you know, I did a tutorial on how to crochet this lovely coat. Now, princess coat. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a hat to match this lovely coat. So I'm going to use the same stitch, the lemon peel stitch, to create so it can match this coat. Either you can make a hoodie, but I said I would make a hat for this coat. So let's get started. I'm going to use the same yarn that I have. Again, I used about just over, uh, I didn't finish the six skein ball of yarn. So it's just over 500 gram of yarn. So if you round it up, 600 gram of yarn you would need to crochet this lovely coat. And I will put the link below. I did two tutorials, part one, part two, and this is for a 3-year-old. So the hat is going to be for a 3-year-old. So let's get started. Let's get started, so chain, total of 24, chain plus 1, and I'll be right back. Okay, I said the 24, I'm sorry, it's supposed to be 40 chain plus 1, and then like this, and then plus 1 is to after plus 1 on the second chain we do a single crochet, and followed for double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet. Okay, again, this is the same yarn I am using, and this is Yarn Art Jeans Plus. It's 50% cotton and 50% pack polyester, I guess acrylic, but it feels like it is cotton. It says it's a 3-weight, but I believe it's a 4-weight because it is pretty thick. And I'm using a 6.5 millimeter crochet hook. The reason is I want it nice and fluffy, and that's why I'm using a bigger than what I used on the coat that I have crocheted. So I'm just going to continue crocheting like this non-stop. 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, all the way around. There's nothing else to be done. It's just going to be flat, and then we're going to be crocheting, but I'll give you the measurements so you will continue crocheting. This is a very easy, beginner friendly hat for a 3-year-old. So it's going to be about 9 inches. So that would be about 23 centimeter. Okay, it will kind of little shrink after I crochet. And then what we're going to crochet is about 38 centimeter, 15 inches high, long. That's all we're going to do. So I will let you crochet about 15 inch, and then I will come back to show you how to do the trick. I'll be right back. Again, this is for a 3-year-old, but I'm going to show you a trick that the child can wear it till he or she is 7 or 8 years old. I'll be right back. Before I let you go, I just wanted to show that this is how it looks like, and I changed my crochet hook to a 4.5, or you can change it to a smaller one, because I noticed because we started with the biggest crochet hook I have is 6.5, it kind of didn't look good, so that's why I went down for a 4.5. Yeah, unfortunately. Or if you have a bigger hook than 6.5, then you can start with that bigger hook and then go continue on, because it doesn't look right. It went weird. I didn't like it. So I chained 1 and I did my single crochet, and I just continue crocheting the lemon peel stitch for the amount that I told you guys. And this is a really fun stitch. Even you can make a scarf with it if you want. But yeah, I will continue crocheting. Just wanted to show you it does shrink because of the stitch. So just wanted to measure it so you can see. It's supposed to be 20 centimeter, but I did chain it bigger, so it is it will shrink a little bit more. So when I look at it, it's about 23, and it will shrink. Yeah, this is going to be the height. So we're going to be knitting about, what did I say, 38 centimeter, 15 inches. So I will come back. Just wanted to point out, because I did go with a smaller crochet hook, it was shrinking, like the chain was shrinking and the top was getting bigger, and it didn't look good. So with the smaller hook, I saved it. Okay, so I will continue crocheting with this because I think it is suitable. I don't know, I am a tight crocheter, but it happens. You just need to play around with it. Like you guys always ask me what kind of crochet hook. You just need to use the crochet hook that you are comfortable with. Other than that, I'm using a 4.5, and I started 6.5 at the beginning. As you can see, it did shrink, so I don't want to pull it much because I don't want it. I already chained 40 plus 1 chain, so 41 chain to start this hat, and I will continue crocheting. Lots of crocheting involved, and I will be right back. I don't want to hold you guys because it will take longer if I continue doing the entire row. It's the same thing. I do 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and I do it on every stitch. I do the opposite. Single crochet, I do a double crochet. I see a double crochet, I do a single crochet. It's just a regular lemon peel stitch. And it gives you this lovely texture. Okay, so I'll be right back. Here we go. I have crocheted, and now we're going to, I even cut my yarn. I even made my pom-pom. Here we go. I will put the link below on how to make this pom-pom. Super easy. Okay, so it is about 38 and a half. Perfect. And the height is a bit longer, but that's okay. The child can wear it forever. So it was supposed to be 20 inches long. I did 26 chain worth of, so if you're thinking of making for a 3-year-old and smaller, chain less what I have chain. It was 40 plus 1. So again, be cautious with the yarn that you're using. So it has to be 20 inches long to chain for a 3-year-old and under, I would say. So this is going to be a bigger hat, but that's okay. Nothing to worry about. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to sew these 2 parts. So I cut my yarn as I said, and I let a little bit of it's a pretty long. Again, this is the lemon peel stitch, and 2 sides are same, so there's no wrong, no right. That's a good thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sew it up. That's all I'm going to do. Okay. And then I will come back after I sew this part up, and then we will do the rest. Then this is going to be the top of the hat. And I'll be right back. I don't want you to see how I sew it, because that will take me forever. But it's just a regular sewing involved. Just a regular. I'm just going to go like this. Just like this. Nothing different. Okay, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I sewed it up. I just have a little bit of yarn, but don't worry. I'm just gonna go and poke my needle like this to create the crown area, and I don't need much yarn. I just need to pull it up all together, and this is all I do. Then I will pull it so it will give that nice look. So I will do this all the way around, just like this, between the fabric, and I will be right back. Because this is going to take me time to poke it. Okay, so I came where I started, and I still have enough yarn to pull it. So, oops, yeah, came off. That's okay. So I'm just trying to cover this hole right now. So to do that, I need to pull as much as I can, but try not to break the yarn because it will break. And I will continue pulling this just like this. Yeah, I noticed cotton yarn isn't that soft. It's giving me a hard time. Okay, let's see. Slowly, gentle pull it. I will continue pulling this, and I'll be right back. Okay, and this is all I can pull, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to sew this up just like this to cover that hole. And I'm going to take this a couple of times back and forth, just like this. And then just go back and forth, just like this. Ta-da! See? Okay, I'm gonna tie this up. Okay, so I closed it, as you can see, and then I turned it inside out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my pom-pom and put my tag, and I'll be right back. It's almost done. Okay, so here's the hat. The child can wear this till 9, 10, and then you can fold this to fit for a 3-year-old, 4-year-old, 5-year-old, and then the bigger the child becomes, you just put this down like this. It goes down, and then this is the hat. And I grabbed my tag. These are my tags. I already did a review about this last year. I bought it when I was in Turkey, and I just love these. They're so nice. They're removable. When you put it in the washer, all you do is you just remove it, and this is how you tag it. Just like this, you poke it, and then you put it like this. You push it through the hole. I don't have long nails. Here we go. It's NC. It's now secured. And this is how you crochet this lovely hat. Again, I used the lemon peel hat, but it doesn't have to be the lemon peel hat. It can be any stitch that you want, but it gives, I just love the texture of this lemon peel stitch. And like I said again, you can use any stitch you want. So I hope you liked this tutorial. I just wanted to share how you can make a super easy, beginner friendly hat using my method. And I hope you liked it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. Happy crocheting!